Hello dear students, welcome back to this session. Today in this session we are going to study LT and RT command. Now these commands are used to rotate the turtle to its right or to its left with specific angle. So LT command is used to rotate the turtle to its left and RT command is used to rotate the turtle to its right. So without any further ado, let's see it practically. Let me open the Google folder and the Chrome browser. After opening the Chrome browser, in the address bar type online MSW logo editor, or simply you can type online MSW logo. So select this link which says online logo transform, right? I will select the same link. Now as soon as the screen appears, in the command input box, okay, means here you have to type the command LT. Okay, what is the use of LT? LT is used to turn or rotate this turtle to its left side, and you can specify the angle as 90 degree or 45 degree or 180 degree. We will see all these. So let us see it quickly. First of all, let me write LT. So the turtle will turn to its left by 45 degrees, and after that I will tap on the go button. Now observe the result. The turtle has turned to its left or rotated to its left by 45 degrees. Again I will type LT 45, then I will tap on go button. Again it has been turned to its left by 45 degrees. Now I will turn this turtle to its left. Now here it will be the left, correct, and now I will give the value as 90 degree. So observe LT 90. So LT 90 will turn the turtle by 90 degree to its left side. Yes, you can see. Now we will study the RT command. RT will turn the turtle to its right. Now where is the head of the turtle? At the bottom. Okay, from bottom you can see that this will be the right side. Okay, so I'm going to turn the turtle by 90 degrees, so its head will be in this direction. Okay, let me write RT 90. RT 90. See the results. Yes, you have seen the result. Earlier the head of the turtle was at the bottom, but now it is at the left because we have turned it by 90 degree to its right. Again we will write RT 90. RT and 90. So what will happen? Let us see. The turtle head of the turtle turns to its right by 90 degree. So again, now I will type RT 180. RT 180. So it will turn with 180 degree. Okay, I will show you how to rotate the turtle. So let us see. Right now the turtle is like this. Okay, now it is actually facing at the bottom, but suppose that turtle is like this. When we write the command RT90, it will turn 90 degree at its right. So finally the turtle will look like this. Okay, again suppose if the turtle is like this, okay, like this, and we have typed the command LT90, so 90 degree it will face like this. Okay, so these are some basic commands, left and right command. You can practice and you can send me the pictures of the turtle. Okay, practice with all these commands and show me the pictures as turtle is facing to its bottom and to top, at left and at right. All the faces you have to show me the screenshot. That's it for today's session. In case of any queries, difficulties or doubts, feel free to ask me. Thank you.